Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in into your Bybit account in 2025. So it's a very simple and easy thing to do. First of all, you need to download and install the updated version of the Bybit application on your device. And then you need to simply tap on its icon in order to sign in into your account. Now here it will by default show you the sign up option, but since you want to log in, you need to tap on the login now option. Now over here in the email section, you will have to provide your email address and your password and simply tap on this login now option in the bottom. In the bottom of it, you will also see Google and the Telegram icons. So if you have created your account with the help of these two, you can just use these in order to log in into your account. If you have created your account with the help of your phone number, or if you want to log in into your Bybit account with the help of your mobile number, you can just tap on the mobile number tab, select your country code, provide your phone number and password, and you can simply log in into your account. Now for any reason, if you are facing any kind of problem in login into your Bybit account, you can simply just tap on this forget password option and you can reset your password. The code or the reset link will be sent on your registered email address with Bybit, so you can just follow the instructions in order to reset your password if necessary. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can do let me know in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching.